In this lecture, we're going to learn about colors. Materialize comes with a color palette based on the material design base colors. Each color is defined using a base color class and an optional lighten and darken class. We can use color classes for background colors and text color. First, we see a list of all the primary colors. We see them used on background and text color. First, we have a special Materialize red color. Then we have the default red, pink, purple, deep purple, indigo, blue, light blue, cyan, teal, green, light green, lime, yellow, amber, orange, deep orange, brown, gray, blue gray, black and white. And finally, a transparent one. We can also use color variations for all of these colors. We can make them more light or more dark. We can also use an accent for most of the colors except for the brown gray and blue gray one. So here's an example of the red color where we see the 5 different shades of red that have been made lighter and the 4 different shades of red that has been made darker, and also the 4 accent versions of red. These same red colors are here provided on the font as the text color. We can see all the available color variations by clicking this link here, which will take us to the color palette on the official documentation on the Materialize CSS website. Here you see all the available colors. All right, let's close this and jump over to the practice section where we haven't got any colors yet. We'll now add these colors. In our code editor, we'll now select all the divs with the card panel class. So we do something like this. And now to make it easier to and quicker to apply all of these different colors, we'll simply select this color class that is the text content of this div, copy it and paste it in right there. Then we'll select all of these paragraphs here and do something similar. Copy that and paste it in here. Finally, we'll copy this one from down here, paste it in, and that one here. Now let me just explain this. For background colors, we simply use the color name like red, pink, purple, deep purple, and so on. To specify the text color, we must add the pink dash text or the red dash text. So the color name followed by a dash and text. Let's save this, go back in our browser and refresh. Now we see all the different colors being applied. Here we have the white one, and we have the white text, we can't see it, and transparent text here. Now let's look at the color variations, how to create these. All of the text content that we see here are the classes that we have to use. So to add a variation, we add the class lighten 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. To make it darker, we add the class darken 1, 2, 3, or 4. Or to give it an accent, we add the class accent 1, 2, 3, or 4. If we need to add this to the text color, we must add the class from before, the color dash text, and then text dash lighten 5. So it's a little tricky, but text should be the last word for the primary color, and then the text should be the first word for the class to lighten up or making it darker or accent. All right, let's create this in our code editor. We scroll down. Now let's select all of these card panels again, like so. Then first copy the red color class and then these color classes here. Actually, we have to do this a little bit different, like so. This is the lighten class. Then we select the dark class here. Paste it in, and finally the accent classes. Paste it in. Let's do the same for these paragraphs here. We will select all of them, and then we'll grab the red text class, paste that in, and then we'll grab these 5 lighten classes, paste them in like so, and the 5 darken classes, or the 4 darken classes. So there's 5 lighten classes, but only 4 darken classes, and also only 4 accent classes. We copy them and paste them in. Now we have the same classes as we have in our text. So simply copy and paste. Now let's go back and refresh. Here we see all the different variations of the red primary color on the backgrounds and on the font. So this was how you can use colors with Materialize.